Want to clear your search history on TikTok, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear your search history on TikTok. Now let's get started. There are two different ways to clear your search history on TikTok. The first option is to delete individual items, and the other is to fully clear your entire search history. If you just want to delete a couple of recently searched items, open the TikTok app and tap the search icon at the top. Tap See More to see your recent searches. Then tap the X next to the search items you want to delete. Deleting these from your search history will affect your For You page algorithm so that these topics won't come up as much in your feed. If you want to clear your entire search history, go to your TikTok profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Select Activity Center. Then select Search History. Tap Select in the top right corner. Then you can select individual items, or tap Select All Search History at the bottom to select all your past searches. Tap Delete in the bottom right corner. To confirm, tap Delete in the pop-up window. That wraps up 2 ways to clear your search history on TikTok. Want to remove the You May Like suggestions on TikTok? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.